Don't worry, we're not doing anything stupid.
Okay. I kind of trust you.
What is going on, guys? So I have a fun day of hanging out with FP2000. See now, yo, but you see like the difference is like, and we are going to obviously burn some tires. So that is going to be happening. A Hellcat is planning on finishing off their rubber. And I want to show you guys something that I received in the mail. Now, the LMI intake that I have currently on my car is not doing the trick. I know this is not a permanent solution. I knew that as soon as we were doing the install. I purchased this leg maker used, and there's another piece that's supposed to drop into that wheel well. The problem is this tubing is too wide for that hole down there to get into the wheel well. So I knew that this was going to have to get upgraded. When I was doing those 0 to 60 pulls, the engine heat was getting into the intake, and so my air intake temperatures were really way too high. So look at this intake temperature. It is 30 degrees outside, and ideally you want it to be close to 30. Now, if I jump on the highway, I'll probably get 35-ish, but at a standstill, look at those intake temps. Just before I was at 80. So we need to see if that can be improved. Look at that, 82. So to correct that situation, what I did was I got in touch with Diablo Sport, and I have great experience with Diablo, so what the heck, I wanted to try another one of their products, and that is the cold air intake. And so that is what I'm going to show you guys. I'm really pumped about it. I saw it on their website and I was like, you know what, this looks like a legit setup. And yeah, so I didn't even know they had an intake for purchase. So we're gonna go over. I'm gonna show you what what comes in the box, kind of a thing, and I'll let you guys decipher, whether it's something that you want.
What's that?
All right, guys. So this is the new intake, and I got this off of Diablo. Are you gonna help me take it out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. And it's the Jammer cold air intake. It is for
Daddy,
the
I love you.
I love you too, bud. It is for the 392. I got it off of Diablo. Now, the reason why I went with this is because, I mean, look at this. Look at this intake. It is massive. That is going to be sucking up a lot of air. And on top of that, this right here, this is going to do a better job of blocking off the engine heat from going into the intake. And, hopefully that's going to lower the intake temperatures and get it a little closer to the ambient air outside. The rest is, just hoses and stuff. And I'll show you the filter. This thing is huge. So look at the size of this thing. That is huge. So this air filter is no joke. So I'm looking forward to giving this a try, seeing how it works out. I will provide you guys with as much feedback as possible. Yeah, so I'm just pumped because I know that LMI leg maker intake is not really the permanent solution. So yeah, let's see how this works out. Daddy.
That's what I was gonna buy this week. To keep the valves open. Steve is gonna do
Oh yeah. You're gonna get the active exhaust.
Yeah, Steve told me last week. And he's got the same one, so he's gonna do it. He did it himself. He does everything to the car.
Hey guys, let me know what you think of these rims. This is FP2000's whip. He just put some new rims on there. I'm not gonna lay my opinion out. I'll let you guys decide. I'm just messing with you. All right, you ready to get going?
Yeah.
You know where we're going, right?
You know what? I'm not even gonna buy those things. I'm gonna email the guy, see if he can send it to me for free.
What things?
No,
the valves. Yeah.
It's only $150, but
It's gonna sound great. Oh, what a day! What a day! I love it. We got trucks, a photographer, a taxi, drug dealers.
What did you say?
You name it, we got it today. What? All right, we're gonna warm up the tires. We're gonna warm up the tires, do a 0 to 60. Make it rain.
hold on, wait. What? 2, 3, repeat.
They should be warm.
Now they're warm.
Mine for me driving it?
Yeah.
I never even tried to do it. Okay.
Actually, we'll launch at a higher RPM. You just can't get traction. All right. So launching at a higher RPM is not a good idea. That's fun. That is fun. I would seriously get into trouble in this thing. I didn't get traction. Did you feel me spinning?
Yeah.
Crazy?
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
I'm being ready. I'm fucking freezing.
All right, here we go. Gingerly. It's just not. You just can't do it here.
You got potholes. Where was that little pothole that we hit before? Maybe it was just this dip in the road that we hit before.
You can't complete a 0 to 60.
No,
it's
that's
just
terrible. Maybe with my new tires on, we could do it on Saturday. I'm sure it's got to be the tires.
Well, if you're putting on the same tires, then no, you can't. You're not going to be able to do it.
Why not?
Because you have shit tires. You have terrible all-season 275s. Your tires wouldn't even be good for my car.
Oh, jeez.
That's what I'm saying. You need drag radials on this thing.
Do we know this taxi driver who just rolled down his window randomly and said hello to us?
Said, hey, what's up? You're in a Hellcat.
That's what me and Danny used to work. Well, Danny still works for them. Straight down is the New York Power Authority. That's how I know where this place is.
Don't worry, we're not doing anything stupid.
Okay. I kind of trust you.
I love listening to that line.